Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to upload music on your SoundCloud app. SoundCloud is an open platform for both listeners and creators. Anyone can still listen for free and anyone can still upload tracks as long as they own all the rights to do so. First open the SoundCloud app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on upward pointing arrow icon which you will see at the top right corner right beside the bell icon. Once you tap on it, choose the file here to upload. You have to choose an audio file. Once you choose that, you will see this page. Here you can add photo to your music, add title, pick a genre, describe your track and add a caption. Let's pick a photo first by tapping on the camera icon. Here you will see a menu pop up. You can choose the photo from the library or take the photo. I will choose the photo from the library. Here you can adjust the photo. Once you are satisfied with your photo, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now choose the title by tapping on the title section. If you are okay with the suggested one, you can skip it and tap on the pick genre. Here you can choose the genre of your music. I will choose disco. Once you choose it, you will be redirected to the previous page. Here you can describe your track by tapping on describe your track. Here you can give a description to your track. Then once you are okay with the description, tap on the save button at the top right corner. Now add a caption to your post by tapping add a caption. This one is optional, you can skip it, but I will show you by typing something. Then tap on the save button at the top right corner. Now you can make the post private or public. Here the post is currently public. If you want to make it private, tap on the toggle button and turn off the toggle button. In this way you can make it private. Once you have done it, tap on the save button at the top right corner. Here you will be redirected to the home page. The progress is going on, so you can see a blue spinner at the top right corner. Once the blue spinner stops, it means that the post has been uploaded. Now let's see our post. Tap on the library at the bottom of the page on the navigation bar. Here you will see your profile at the top right corner. Tap on that. Now again tap your profile at the top left corner and here you can see the track has been posted. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.